Hello everybody, Alex from Model Airport Nation here, and today I'm giving you guys a tour of my model airport / aviation room. So feel free to come along today, subscribe for more. Also Instagram and TikTok at Model Airport Nation. Come along here. So basically it's probably most people's dreams to have like a model airport like room basically. So since moving basically I kind of have my repair shop right here. Fortunately I had this model fall off the other day and the wheel came off, but we've repaired it. I don't know if it's too perfect, but honestly it's gonna get the job done. And of course you have to have coffee in a aviation room, but keep it in a safe spot. Have some terminals over here along with some of the no point airport that I am currently constructing here for the XXM St. Martin layout. Got to have your airplanes on standby here. So over here we have different airplanes that are going to be going on the layout in the future here, or that are currently on the layout, as well as some 3D printed terminals in their boxes safely. And some of my other layover layouts. We have JFK's and Katalui Maui, and some of the other ones that I had done on just the basic printer. So a lot coming with LAX in the future here. Some stuff kind of snapped off there. I got to do some repairs here. But other than that, guys, under here we have storage. Of course, you have to have storage, especially when you're in this profession / hobby. So we have all the airplanes under here. Some other pieces that I've made. And of course, the terminals. So I have two 8-foot tables here from Sam's Club and a 6-foot table right here. So, and of course over here we have guitar, and basically here is my flight sim setup. Flight Sim Captain Alex on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok as well. I do run a Flight Sim YouTube channel, so go check that out. I have my Boeing Flight Sim chair, as well as some panels, mini cockpit, Airbus here, as well as 3 monitors. So do plan on doing like 3 55-inch TV screens in the future here. So maybe, 3 to 4 years down the road. And who knows what else is going to come out. So stay tuned for that. And I have some of my other pieces here. Throttle quadrants. So yeah, we'll get to this side of the room in a second, guys. But yeah, currently I have the west gates right here. I'm kind of switching this one out. Got T5 going. Also T4 is kind of like layout here, so got to show different content here. And I have a terminal coming later today for the United terminal here. So stay tuned for that, guys. As you guys can see, more bins under the tables here. So I kind of organize them between like LAX, Hawaii, different layouts that I'm currently doing. And then coming back over here, we have the PC. And yes, I know, could do a little better with the cords here, but I'm currently still kind of getting this set up at the new place here. But yeah, guys, this is pretty much it. Don't have too much on the walls yet. We'll get more on the walls in the future here, but I think within the year I will be moving to a different state about 6 months from now. So I just don't know if it's worth it putting a lot on the walls right now. But yeah, guys, this is what it looks like having a model airport aviation room. Kind of switching the layouts here. I keep some under here, and you'll get a lot of St. Martin, Dubai in the future here. So stay tuned for that, guys. Just kind of working on the terminals that come with them right now. And yeah, so basically planes that I have on the layouts I have right here. And then in the boxes here, I put ones that are not on the layouts. So that's how that's kind of working here. Also want to thank Layover Layouts for these amazing layouts, and No Point Airport. Also Tarmac Designs for the amazing terminal. Jetset Models for the amazing terminal, and GSE. Jetset Models makes tons of amazing GSE. Tarmac Designs makes amazing terminals, and also different pieces for your airports. And Layover Layouts also makes amazing layouts that have just changed the model airport game. All 3 of them have. So thank you to all 3 of you guys. Like I said, my United terminal my new one is arriving from Tarmac Designs later today. So I'm very excited for that one. So I'll have that up and show you guys a video on that very, very, very soon. Again, everybody, thank you for watching today. I'm Alex at Model Airport Nation. Thank you guys so much. I wish I could go to Airliners International, but that's just not going to work out this year. I feel like it's like a 4-day thing, and I'd love to display stuff there for you guys sometime. So that would be really cool. I don't quite know how that all works, and I don't know if I feel comfortable like setting like one of my huge layouts up and like tons of people walking by it. I just don't know how I feel about that. But I would definitely love to come sometime and, you know, meet you guys and walk around with like a Model Airport Nation shirt on and just have a good time. So stay tuned maybe for the next one or the next one after that. Honestly, it's probably going to be a little while before I do make it to one of those things. But, you know, you guys got me right here on Instagram, TikTok, and of course right here on YouTube, Model Airport Nation. So thank you guys just for coming to my quick aviation room tour. You know, it's not too much, but, you know, it's something, you know, for a studio here. Also got a few lights here around. I got 3 of these things. I got them off Amazon. Unfortunately, one of them broke, but they actually work really well, and they provide a lot of like light across the airport. So yeah, guys, we're only getting started here at Model Airport Nation. We are only getting started. So I'm trying to post every day here, try to keep up with content, maybe every couple days. But right now, I think I'm doing like 11, 12 videos in a row. Just like I'm on like video 6 now of like just gonna do like a 12-day streak here. Get some good content up though, of course. So yeah, thanks again for watching, guys, and happy collecting. We'll see you in the next video. Model Airport Nation, you guys, I'm out.